Bud and Marilyn were my grandparents. They had a restaurant for almost 50 years in Ripon, Wisconsin. To me, this is my version if I was running their restaurant.
People love that nostalgic feel and that nod to something in the past. We're in Midtown Village in Philadelphia on 13th Street. It's really the heart of the city.
At Bud and Marilyn's, we do comfort food reimagined. What's more comforting than fried chicken, honey butter, and biscuits? It's time to go fry some chicken. We brine it for 24 to 48 hours. Then you have to air dry it in the walk-in. It goes into a buttermilk soak really quickly and into dredge. We've got a pressure fryer, a Henny Penny pressure fryer. So we can do the chicken in 12 minutes and it will come out perfectly crispy.
And we knew we needed biscuits.
Buttermilk and a little bit of flour.
Tangent.
And this is Bud and Marilyn's buttermilk fried chicken.